Today we want to talk a little bit and show you about the open space platform, focusing on the edge and how you can experience virtual ground at the network edge. So I'm going to show you what's in the room here, walking to this side. So here we have a complete open space gateway. So base kit running the virtual modems with the management platform and the SpectralNet digitizer, all connected together with a network switch. This gives you a complete gateway solution. And if we move to the other side, we have the open edges here. We've got three of them in this rack. One of them is running a use case for private 5G, the other one for SD-WAN, and the middle one here is running carrier monitoring on the edge. So these are three different use cases as an example of applications that you can run on the OpenEdge platform together with the virtual modem and the digitizers that's already installed in the general compute platform. So if we go here on the slide just quickly, what we show in these three use cases. So for private 5G, when you run private 5G on the edge for a remote site, we showed how you can actually reduce satellite bandwidth, have high availability of local business applications, because none of the traffic is now reliant on the satellite link status. So even if the satellite link is down due to weather or some other problems, the local traffic for your 5G network is still working fine. So that's the big advantage of the private 5G on the edge. Then we have multi-orbit. There you can make use of an SD-WAN application like ZipLink, for example, to increase capacity between different orbits. So you can use LEO, GEO, and MEO at the same time if you want. And you have the redundancy. If one link should go down, the other is still working fine. And then we have carrier monitoring as a use case where we can run our Monix application on an edge device, and you can monitor local carriers, improve services. You can see when there's a problem, an interference or something happening, it can alarm on that, and then you can move your carrier to a different location, for example. So that makes sure you have business continuity for your system at the edge. Lastly, how you can revolutionize the edge for a competitive advantage. We can show lower cost due to the reduced footprint where you run multiple applications in software at the OpenEdge on the edge. So this ensures that you don't have to ship hardware and do installations to a remote site. You can just do the software updates over the air. So that increases efficiency, much easier to maintain. And one important fact is you can future-proof your investment. So the hardware that's now out at the remote site doesn't have to be replaced when you want to run new applications or there's new technology coming out. So you can now, for example, just change it to 5G NTN by just updating the modem with the new waveform, and you don't have to ship anything out to that site. So it's very quick and easy to use standard cloud native functions to future-proof your investment. And that is it. Thank you very much.